Hi guys, Mike here, and in this clip we're going to have a quick look at the internals of the Asus G75V. And for that, first of all, you're going to need a screwdriver, and then you're going to have to pop open the battery. Remove it, put it on the side, and now let's go ahead and see what hides beneath this laptop. You're going to have to open this screw here. It's not one of those fast thumb screws that you got on the previous generation. Still going to need a screwdriver. Should be quite easy to pop open. I think I did it. Then just have to get your finger over here and pull. But I don't really know how hard I should pull. Maybe I didn't open this. I think I did. Okay, let's see how hard do I have to pull here. I don't know. Okay, finally got to open it. Had to use a knife for that as well, just to get the things going. And this is the back. This is how it's going to look. And there are a couple of things you should notice over here. First, let's get rid of this bottom. You have two different drives. So this supports two different drives. You have the memory over here, two sticks. We have two 8GB sticks. The cooling, the heat sink over here as well. And you have this. This is one of the cooling fans. And it comes with a fan grid. You can quickly remove and clean. In time this is going to get filled with dust. You can easily remove it, clean it, and then going to pull it back in this device, which is something very nice. And the same thing should be happening on this other part as well. Hopefully I'm going to be able to open it using that knife again. Okay, so here we go. Once again you have this, the same thing, the filter going to pop up and clean in time. So this is something quite interesting. So there are two big cooling fans on this one, protected by these two grills. So overall the architecture looks quite good. It's nice that you have these features. You can easily upgrade the hard drive. You can buy it with only one hard drive and then pop in an SSD in here as well. It has this rubber fit that will prevent vibrations. It looks quite good. And of course, if you want to remove this, there are a couple of extra screws for you to remove before you be able to do this. There's also the speaker here, but I'm not really able to access it to show you how big it is, the subwoofer actually. Okay, let me go ahead and put this thing back. Should be easier to put back than it was to remove. So put it back like this, put that screw back in, and this should be all. Now, some of you might argue that Asus could have made this easier to upgrade if they used a thumb screw, but after all, I'm not going to open it that often. Once you're going to set it up, it will be good to go. So those are pretty much all the things I wanted to show you. You're going to have to put this part back as well in time. Actually right now, once again, start from the corner when the cooling fan is, and make sure everything goes in place. It's not going to be that simple to put back in because it took a lot of effort to actually open it. Okay, let's see. There are these feet over here. They need to go in the right place. Okay, we're good here. Okay, so everything is back where it should. Now let's put this screw back. And that's it. So this is how you're going to be able to upgrade memory and how you can be able to clean the fans on this device. In the end, you just have to put the battery back in and you're good to go. Your new laptop is upgraded and clean, and you're going to be able to play some new games right now easily. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. For more details about the G75, also see the full written review, there's a link in the description, and also see my experience running games and all kinds of applications on this particular machine. Thanks a lot for watching once again.